Right guys, today I'm gonna show you how to change the issue with the car is the indicator and the hazard light not working. As you can see, the ignition is on, and when you turn the stroke up or down, there is no response. And I've checked all the fuses are okay, fuses are fine. And so I've found out that the suspect is the relay for the hazard light indicator relay, which is placed here, as I can point out, this one here. So this one, you have to, what you can do is in order to get to it, you need to take the this panel off under the steering rack. So you got a couple of screws here to take it off. So one, two, there are two screws at the top right next to the column, and then there are a few on the side. So what you do is just take it off this way, and so the suspect is this relay. So I'm just gonna take it out, and let me just turn the ignition off. I managed to get a new um, I managed to get a new relay from Suzuki Auto Parts in Oxford, and this relay costed me about £15. That's including the VAT. And just gonna show you how to change it. So what you do is just apply a little bit force like this, and it just comes off. And like I say, if you have changed your, just 1 second, let me just put the camera on the rest. Right, so this is the relay indicator relay, which was this is the old one. Some people what they do is they just dismantle it, apply some WD-40 on it, and that stops it from sticking. But in my case, I didn't bother doing that. I mean, for £15, if you can put a new one, then that's better than. So this is how you just plug it in, and the moment of let's see. So there's me turning the ignition on now, and then as you can see, the indicator is working now fine. Left, right, working. The hazard switch is working too. So simple as that. So how you secure this one is yeah, so you just screw this one back in. So in order to get to the relay is you need to take these you need to take the trim off, this trim here. Yeah, this is just fitted with clips. So you just take this trim off, and then you take these screws off, and then that's where you can get to it. You don't have to take this panel off underneath, because in my case I haven't done it before. I haven't done this, and there were not any videos available on YouTube. So in my case I just had to do it harder way. But if you do it on your car, then all you have to do is just take this trim panel off, and take this trim panel off, and then there are three screws which holds the all the switches for the light bulbs and everything. Okay, so this is, so what I do now is this is, you just, as you can see here, 1 minute. So this is how you secure it. So that's where it goes, and there's one screw, Phillips screw. That's what goes in there to secure it. It sounded very complicated, that there might be some electrical fault with the car or something like that, but after investigating, after checking all the other components and everything, I found out that it's got to be the relay. As you can see it again, let me just show you again now. you can see the indicators working fine with the old relay. The faulty one, nothing was working, and it's illegal to drive it without the indicators. Okay, so that's the Phillips screwdriver. Just tighten it nicely and off you go. That's that done. That's that done, nicely done. Okay, and then you just, what you do, you just push the panel back, the light switch panel back in here like this, just like this, simple as that. And then you just secure it with 3 screws, and that's job done. Right guys, see you some other time. Thank you very much. Thanks. Bye bye.